Start talking? All right, so right here we're making some rib nachos. You know, right there she showed you the rib and just cutting it up. We cut it off of the rib bone, and so this is what it looks like off of the rib bone. And so now we're just cutting it up into small pieces so that way we can sprinkle it over the nachos. So I'm just kind of just cutting it real thin here. I might have these little thin slivers, but we'll see what it looks like whenever I get done cutting. It here. You guys always got to be real careful when you guys handle knives, so you guys don't cut yourselves. A little disclaimer. She's getting down to the bottom of the rib here. Kind of cut these up in little pieces. That way they're not too big when you're putting them on your nachos. Turn this right here so I can go ahead and piece that up. I really probably don't even have to cut it. You see how it's just breaking up pretty easy. Got that nice little smoke ring around there. So shout out to Smokin Barbecue, located in Houston, Texas. Got the catering and everything going. Go ahead and look them up.
This looks so delicious.
Shout out to Moms on the Go. Rib nachos. Next, we're just going to go ahead and get the chips and a little bit of cheese, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and we'll explain that here in a second.
Okay.
All right, so first we have your chips right here. Now we're just going to put a little bit of shredded cheese, natural yellow cheese. I'm just put just a little because I don't want to make it too cheesy. That's just my preference. You can make it however cheesy you want, but I'm just put just a little bit of cheese right here. This cheese right here, shredded white cheese, yellow cheese. And now we have the organics pepper jack cheese right here. I'm gonna just kind of break it up and put it over this cheese. So you could just break it up how you want to, but I'm gonna just go ahead and just fold it like this. Forward, backward, forward, and backward. And then I'm gonna just kind of just piece it up like this. Just to kind of get it around, kind of miscellaneous around the chips. Make it easier to piece up. I'm gonna pop it in the microwave after everything gets done and pieced up on the chips. Just to melt that cheese. Piece it up here. Kind of want to spread it evenly around all of the chips. That way all my chips got a little cheese. Still piecing up here. Who knew one slice of cheese would take this long to piece up? But here we go. Just about done piecing up cheese. Next, we're going to get the rib meat and just put it on there on the chips. I have this little avocado here I'm gonna cut up and put around it at the end, so I still want to put it in the microwave to heat up. So kind of just scoot this around right here. Kind of get it on all the chips. All the little chips have a little bit of rib meat on there. My hands are clean, but I just don't want to get my hands dirty with all of this barbecue. A little bit of barbecue sauce on these ribs. The last few pieces on these chips here. And we'll just pop that in the microwave and add a little barbecue sauce just to melt the cheese and get it all warm.
Good.
All right, now getting a little barbecue sauce, kind of just drizzle it over the nachos here. Real easy. I don't want to put just a glob over one spot, so I'm just kind of drizzling it everywhere. And I might just put like another little half just to make it a little extra saucy, because that's how I want it. I want more sauce than cheese, but that'll be good right there. pop it in the microwave.
Okay.
All right, so now we got a little bit of jalapenos. I'm gonna put a few jalapenos in there, and go ahead and kind of spread it out across the nachos here. Get a few more. Get on these. It's looking like a whole meal right here.
Yeah. Today got treat.
All right, so now that we got the jalapenos, I'm gonna get the avocado here. Got a little avocado wedge, and I'm gonna just slice it up over the nachos, kind of thin. That way we get it all over the nachos. I'm kind of just wiping it off with the peel, kind of to get it off the knife so I don't have to shake the knife. Make it dangerous. But as you can see, this little wedge of avocado went a long way. Last little piece here, I'll probably just half it, like so. Discard the avocado. So there you have it. Rib tip nachos. Now this wouldn't be a video if you guys wouldn't see me try what I'm making. So we'll go ahead and get this and good stuff right there. God bless the food. Good stuff.
And there you have it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to Moms on the Go, our last minute meal of
Today.
last minute meal of ribs on some nachos.